Welcome to AbanteCart, the powerful, flexible e-commerce platform for building your online store. In this video, we'll show you just how easy it is to create a new page and add products and menus in AbanteCart. From the dashboard, go to Design, then Content. Here you'll find a list of all the pages in your store. To create a new one, click the Add button. Let's enable the page by switching the status to on and give it a title. For example, Best Skincare and Makeup for Travel. Now scroll down to the content area, switch to the visual editor. This advanced editor lets you format text, add links, and design rich content without needing any coding knowledge. Paste your page content and easily style it. And for instance, select any text and make it bold with a single click. You can also add tags to your page. Tags help organize your content and make it easier for customers to find related pages or topics while browsing your store. Once you're done, click Save. After saving, click the View button to open the page on your storefront and see how it looks live. Now let's make this page even more engaging by adding a product block so visitors can browse related products right from the page. Go to Design, then Blocks, and click Add. From the list, choose Data Listing. Give your block a name, then select Custom Products as the data source. The data listing block is a powerful tool in AbanteCart. Next, use the product search to find and select the products you want to display. For example, search for skin and add a few products. Then search again for cream to include more. When you're ready, click Save. Now let's add the block to our page layout. Go back to Design, open the content list. Find our new page in the list and in the action menu, choose Design. Here you can manage the layout of this page. Add the new block to the right column. Then save the layout. Return to your storefront page and refresh it. You'll now see the products displayed on the right-hand side of the page. Finally, let's make it easy for customers to find this page by adding it to the store's main menu. Go to Design, then Menu. Click Add. Enter a menu title, for example, Skin Care for Travel. Add a unique ID. Select the link type as Content Page. Then choose the page we just created. Set the sort order, for instance 51, to position it where you want in the header menu. Click Save. Now reload your storefront. The new menu item appears in the header, linking directly to your new page. And that's it. You've just created a new content page, added dynamic product listings, and linked it to your store menu. To learn more, visit AbanteCart.com or check out our other tutorials.